Oh, so excited. Look, it's a giant steam engine from Germany. It was made by German students in the 1950s. It has a old broken boiler and this beautiful steam engine. So let's turn it on thanks to the DeLonghi coffee pot and see if we can get it steaming. It is so big that it takes quite a lot. It kind of fills with water and it has to heat the cylinder first before it will run. Okay, there. It's giant. Well, that's the first test run. I wonder what Mrs. H is going to say when she comes back and sees her kitchen. Wow!